Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a whole house clean with me, and we're going to be starting here in my bedroom. Sometimes I like to start in my master bedroom and just move toward the main living areas of our house. That way once I get to the big mess, the smaller rooms are done. So let's get started.
What if I open my soul? Here I stand by myself on my own. What if I lose all control and take a step out into the unknown? Oh, oh, oh. What do I know? Of that reality, don't want another surprise. I'd rather want you to just let me be. Oh, oh, oh. What do I know? What's going on now? Is this another breakdown? You and me, should I let go? Another feet on the ground. But you just wanna drink your beer and grab the glass and let it go down. We're going down. Now I can't hold you any longer. I can't cope 'cause you're a storm. A storm, a storm.
I've had all I can take of the TV on the ottoman. We're still working on our project because we can't find more wood. A day or so to get the rest of our wood so that we can finish this project that I'm so excited about. But I gotta move this TV. I can't take it anymore.
On me, oh, you back away so far I couldn't see. Was it all in my head? Did we try too hard and lost it all instead? Was it all on me? Oh, you back away so far I couldn't see how far you drifted away. Along the street, how far you drifted away, away from me.
We need more than hopes and wishes for us to make it through the night. Stormy weather, weary eyes, hope to make it through the night. Before this night is over, I will guide you home. All this time you thought we'd never pay the price. In the game of love, you have to roll the dice. My heart got 7 years to life.
I use Fetch Rewards, and that is just an app that you download. You snap photos of your receipts and you upload them and you get points, and then you can use the points for travel, for shopping. But if you use my referral link down below, you will automatically get 2,000 points just for downloading it through my link.
No more clouds, no more rain. I need sun to ease my pain. Before this night is over, I will guide you home. All this time you thought we'd never pay the price. In the game.
Okay, well, I was unloading the dishwasher and the cups felt odd, and I thought, they don't feel clean. I looked, well, they weren't, because I didn't start the dishwasher the other night. Yeah, I had everything loaded. I had the dishwashing pod down in there. Didn't start it. Thought I didn't. Nope. So I had to put everything back in. I left out my skillets, pots, and pans. I'm just gonna hand wash those to make room for everything else in the sink. Yeah, there we go.
All this time you thought we'd never pay the price. In the game of love, you have to roll the dice.
been leaving you with questions. I know I should, but I don't wanna fall. I know with you I have to learn my lessons. You go up when I go down. You see clear when I go blind. When I fall hard, you turn me around. Oh, you go up when I go down. You see clear when I go blind. And oh, I hope you always be around. The show is over. Now you finally know it's you and you only. So hard trying to show it. Give you my all. Promise I'll be good. Waiting for answers, but now it's up to you. Now it's up to you. Waiting for answers.
That's it for my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it gave you some motivation. I feel a little scattered. I can't believe I unloaded a dirty dishwasher and but at least I caught it before I had put all the dishes away, you know. Have you ever done that? Let me know down in the comments if you've ever unloaded a dirty dishwasher and then realized, well shoot, everything was dirty and now I gotta wash everything in my cabinet. I have done that. Not my cabinets, but in the utensil drawer, I've unloaded and then realized that it hadn't been washed, and so then I have to wash my entire drawer of utensils. But anyway, it is what it is. I am going to fix me a cup of iced coffee, sit down and watch an episode of Criminal Minds while I edit, and then when my hubby comes home, I don't know what we'll do. The boys are downstairs hanging out. It's a disaster, but my upstairs is clean, and that's all I'm going to focus on right now. I hope you have a great day. Remember, tomorrow's another day, so if you don't get it all done today, it's okay. Take a break, rest, enjoy time with your family, and take care of yourself. If you're overwhelmed like I get, say a prayer, and I will pray for you. You pray for me. I read a thing that said the best thing you can do for someone is pray for them, or if someone's praying for you, that is an act of true love. And I just thought that was really sweet. So, have a great day. Bye.
When I go down and you see clear, when I go blind, when I fall hard, you